Hi, this is Saloni and I'm from Bihar and I have recently completed my bachelor's in journalism from Delhi University and I am currently pursuing my PG diploma in public relation and corporate communication from the school Mumbai, and I have done a lot of internship in the field of public relation and communication, seeing my background in journalism and mass comm. But I would like to highlight my 2 months internship experience at OneSource because that was something I really want to share with everyone. So, talking about OneSource, so it's an integrated marketing consultancy firm in New Delhi, and there are three departments. The first one is BA team, that is business administration team. The second one is CC, that is corporate communication, and the third one is DCM, digital and content marketing. So I was given the role of a communication intern where I was doing all public relation works because as a corporate communication, the role I was given was to manage clients and their coverage, etc., on a daily activities. So the first thing which I used to do at the office is media tracking and reading newspapers and knowing about the industry and knowing about my client, a thorough research of the competitors and my clients. So this was the starting of the day, and then I used to do media calls and knowing about how a journalist writes and which are the topics which are very relevant to that time, and also framing new author article topics or storyline or pitch notes that can be pitched. And the day usually ends with making documents for the clients like VIP, work in progress, scope of work, and a lot of coverage reports that we usually send to the clients. So this was the usual day for me in one source. Now talking about the challenges which I faced in my internship. So the first challenge was adaptability, since PR is very dynamic field. You never know like what comes next, and whenever there is a crisis, you have to be on your toe. So you have to be mentally present, as well as you have to be very adaptable, flexible. So to be adaptable and to be on the feet, it requires a lot of mental capacity to build on. So that was a challenge, but I have learned to some extent to being flexible, being adaptable in this 2 months duration. And secondly, the major challenge for me was being updated with the industry news and all, because I was working on four different clients and all were from like different sectors. So tapping into four different sector and being aware of all of them, so it was very tough for me, but I have overcome it by reading newspaper, uh, uh, and a newspaper and portals and magazines. So this has really helped me to overcome these challenges. And the learnings which I have got from the internship is media connection. So in PR, media connection is your bread and butter, as you all know. So most of time I have devoted in building my media relations. I went to media rounds, I went to their offices. Meeting them, greeting them was part and parcel of my work there. So this is how I think I have strengthened media connection to some extent. And apart from media connection, I would also like to highlight like I really now I can say that how we communicate really matters than what we communicate. Like how is always more important than what. So a lot of time you have a very good idea, but how you present is actually the kick. So I have learned like how to present, be presentable, and how to put forth your views and opinions, like how to communicate what you say really matters, like how you say really matters, so what is and how is more important. So, and talking about my professional growth, so I really learned about having patience. Like you can't be fumble and you can't uh, be so sure that you will get a coverage on the next day itself. So you have to keep the patience, because for PR it's a long term relationship, and in building any relationship, it needs time, patience, and effort. So patience is something which I think I have developed, and it will help me in my career as well as in my professional and personal life. And secondly, I think teamwork. So whenever you win, your team wins, and whenever you lose, your team loses. So so PR can't be, done in a single room or sitting alone, but it's a teamwork. Your team defines your success. So taking your team is very important. So these were the learnings and challenges for me in this duration. Hope my internship experience you find it interesting. Thank you so much.